What's the meaning of Cincinnati? Cincinnati. Cincinnati.
Cincinnati. Cincinnati. Cincinnati is a city in the state of Ohio, United States. The name Cincinnati comes from the Society of the Cincinnati, which was a patriotic organization formed during the American Revolution. It was named in honor of Lucius Quinctius Cincinnatus, a Roman general who was known for his leadership and selflessness. Today, Cincinnati is known for its rich history, cultural attractions, and diverse population. It has a thriving arts scene, professional sports teams, and is home to many companies in industries such as finance, healthcare, and technology.